I can't believe that just happened. The Giants just blew a 19-point lead to lose to the Denver Broncos on the road. And when I say I can't believe that just happened, maybe I should be saying I believe it, because it's been the same constant theme under Brian Daboll. It has always been a lack of execution when this team needs to step up and finish, that they can't get the job done. Two things can be very true about this Giants team. Jackson Dart, Cam Skattebo have changed the identity of this team. They were incredibly physical for the first 3 quarters. They were punching the Broncos in the mouth. They were making big play after big play, and there was a swagger about the energy from this team. But on the other side, it's very clear that Brian Daboll should not be the coach of the future. It is a coach's responsibility to make sure that his team finishes games. It comes down to how they practice. It comes how he talks to his team, how they prepare for games. All of those small granular things that us as fans don't see are what leads to either a team winning a close game like that and finishing out with a 19-point lead, or blowing it to a team that you should have beaten.